Hi guys, and welcome to a brand new video. This video is going to be a short one because there wasn't much planning I could do, as you read by the title. In this video I'm just planning out sort of my month for October. There isn't much for me to plan because I only planned in some of the tests I have this month, exams, and some presentations and other stuff. I didn't really have any big video ideas or content ideas or anything like that, so just a basic structure for my month, I guess. I haven't been journaling or planning for that long. I just started like writing down what I have to do in a month last month, and so I find it very good to just have like maybe just a general structure for the month, or just like when I want to know, oh, when's my exam coming up, when's my presentation, that I have sort of a baseline guideline type of thing to know when is what, instead of every single time going onto my school's website, logging in and having to scroll down and looking, oh, when's this, when's that, and then always forgetting when my tests or exams are. And so I'm using this as a little help guideline or whatever for the month. I would recommend it to everyone else to try this out, or just like, I guess just get a calendar and just like write when your exams are, because like I would never do this, and then like, oh, the day before I would like study and like, yeah. But now I've been being more prepared, as in studying 3 days prior for the exams. How astonishing. But yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I don't know if I'm going to be talking over any other snippets, but yeah, I hope you enjoy me planning, and don't mind my horrible writing. Please don't hate my handwriting. I don't like typing. I like writing everything down because it's just, I just memorize them better, or just I remember stuff better when I write it down per hand or via hand or whatever. And so don't hate on me and my atrocious handwriting. Please and thank you.